Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Now, your learning partner. In this video we will learn insert, update, delete records in SQL table. Are you tired of manually sorting through endless rows of data in your SQL database? Do you find it time-consuming and frustrating to make changes to your records? Well, fear not, because in this video, we will show you how to insert, update, and delete records in your SQL table efficiently and effectively. First, let's start with inserting records. Inserting a new record is straightforward. All you need to do is use the insert into statement, followed by the table name and the values you want to add. As you can see, the insert into statement is easy to understand and execute. Now let's move on to updating records. Updating records can be a bit trickier, but once you get the hang of it, it's a powerful tool. The update statement allows you to change the values of one or more columns in a record. You can even update multiple records at once by using a where clause to filter your results. Finally, let's talk about deleting records. The delete statement allows you to remove one or more records from your table. Again, you can use a where clause to filter the results, so you're only deleting the records you want to get rid of. As you can see, inserting, updating, and deleting records in your SQL table is easy with the right knowledge and tools. With these techniques in your arsenal, you'll be able to manage your database quickly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.